नमस्कार. आडेक्स गोवाच्या कोंकणी खबराचित्रांत तुमकां येवकार. बॅकलॉग पेपर उरिल्ल्या कारणान महाविद्यालयान विद्यार्थी फुडल्या वर्गांत प्रमोट जायना म्हणटगर कांय विद्यार्थी निराश जातात, डिप्रेशनान वतात. त्या खातीर तांकां बॅकलॉग आसतना प्रमोट करची म्हण मागणी NSUI संघटनेची आसा. आडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिक्स.
Keeping a student back for 1 year leads to depression, as I know many of them. And girls, especially over here, are pressurized. If they're not going to college for 1 year, their parents start with, you have to get married, you have to get married. And here's when they are pressurized, they go into depression, they have to get married, they have to drop out of college. So this rule should be, if they are promoted till the 4th year, why can't they be promoted to the 5th? Till the 4th semester, why can't they promote it to the 5th semester? So the demand is simple, let them answer. Okay, if they do not clear the paper, they do not get their degree. That is all we ask, is to promote the student and don't let them feel the burden, or don't let the family feel, okay, our child is not doing anything and sending them to college is a waste of time.
It is not very, it is like common that at least one backlog a student has normally. Keeping into consideration
See, basically every stream like engineering and even law course, they have some amount of bags which the students can keep. For example, law college, the students can keep 5 number of bags and they can move to the next year. But as you said, in BA and BCom there is no such provision. So the students have to clear all the papers and to move to the next year. If they have even one bag of current year, they can't move to the next year. So they are just asking that that the students keep some amount of bags and move to the next year, because their one precious year is getting wasted even for one bag paper.